Have you ever wondered how much your injury case could be worth? Today, we're here to shed some light on that. It's important to understand that the worth of an injury case is not a one-size-fits-all number. It varies greatly, and it's influenced by a myriad of factors. These can range from the severity of the injury itself to the impact it has on your life and even the conduct of the responsible party. Understanding these factors can help set realistic expectations about the potential value of your case. It can guide you through the often complex and overwhelming legal process. It can also empower you to make informed decisions about your case. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it could also mean the difference between a fair settlement and a disappointing one. So, what are these factors that influence the worth of your injury case? Let's dive in. Several elements come into play when calculating the value of an injury case. To start, the severity of the injury is a major contributing factor. A minor scrape or bruise won't command the same compensation as a debilitating spinal injury. The more severe the injury, the higher the potential value of the case. Next, let's consider the impact on the victim's life. Has the injury affected their ability to work or engage in hobbies or activities they once enjoyed? The more the injury has disrupted the victim's life, the more compensation they may be entitled to. Then, we have to look at the negligence of the other party involved. If the other party was completely at fault for the accident, the value of the case is typically higher. However, if the victim contributed to the accident in any way, this could potentially decrease the case's worth. Lastly, the insurance coverage of both parties can also influence the value of the case. The more insurance coverage available, the higher the potential payout. However, if the at-fault party doesn't have adequate insurance, this could limit the amount of compensation the victim can receive. In conclusion, the worth of an injury case isn't a one-size-fits-all figure. It's a complex calculation that takes into account the severity of the injury, the impact on the victim's life, the negligence of the other party, the victim's contribution to the accident, and the insurance coverage of both parties. Remember, each case is unique, and the worth of an injury case is determined on a case-by-case basis. To summarize, the worth of your injury case is not a fixed number. It's a dynamic value influenced by a variety of factors, each unique to your situation. We've looked at how medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and even your own actions can impact the worth of your case. It's crucial to consult with a legal professional to get an accurate valuation. Remember, knowledge is power. Understanding these factors can help you navigate the complex world of injury cases with confidence.